recipes. Oh, I bumped into this car and look what happened. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to bump into Sprites. So this is how it looks. Bam! Hey, what? So let's get started. I have already added a backdrop and two cars. Now in the blue car, when flag clicked, we are gonna make it go at least 6 steps at the right. And in the red car, we are gonna make it when flag clicked and go to the left 6 times. And now the plan is, when the blue car bumps into the red car, I want the blue car to say hey, and I even want the bam thing to come. So we'll just add the bam thing, this one, yeah. Then we'll just press the green flag and we will just make that bam one little bit smaller. Yeah, this much. Okay. And now I want it when flag clicked, hide, end. And now I want it when blue message received, because of the blue car is sending the message. I'm gonna make when blue show. Okay, and now in the blue car we are gonna make it, we are gonna use the bump block. Click on the yellow button and then you can see something like start on bump car. So we are gonna take that and then we are gonna make that car send the blue color message and then say hey, hey. Yeah. Now let's see how it looks. Bam! Hey! So this is it. This is the tip for today. Bye!